In Kenya, starting the 9th of December, Kenya's Health Ministry will launch a measles vaccination campaign targeting 1.2 million children, and these children are aged between 9 months and 5 years. The two-week campaign is organized by health authorities following an outbreak of the disease in 7 counties of the country, areas where 90% of children had not been vaccinated.
According to the Health Ministry, the drought experienced in the affected counties had complicated vaccination operations, and families are encouraged to vaccinate their children to contain the epidemic. Since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, measles vaccination coverage has declined globally. And of course, it's something that the Kenyan government would have to do almost like an immediate approach, immediate response, to ensure that they get the double dose vaccination across these 7 counties. If you know Kenya well enough, in East Africa, there's 20 counties. And of course, 7 of them now have been affected or, have these fears of a measles outbreak. It's also important to know, the reason behind this, which was mentioned not long ago, the drought, which we had spoken about a few months ago in East Africa that had affected a couple of countries, regions in East Africa, was one of the reasons why these counties could not get fully vaccinated. And now, this is it's pretty important that these things are, are handled.
Very important. I mean, measles is not fun. It's a highly contagious disease. It's not fun for both the child that is experiencing it and even the adults that's caring for them. So measles, the likes of measles. Did you ever experience it though?
No.
You never did?
No.
I hope you never did. As an adult, I don't know if an adult can have measles, but I know an adult can have chicken pox.
Nobody in my family experienced any of those things.
I hope you never have it, because I hear and I have experience that certain illnesses you don't have a child when you don't have as a child. When you have them as an adult, it's very dire. So I had chicken pox. I hope you never have it. I had chicken pox in 2014. It was the worst experience of my life. I thought I was going to, transition to the great beyond.
No.
I hope you never experienced it. Anyway, that's all that we can take this morning. You can't relate.
No.
And you will never relate.